Attention all high school students. We know it must be hard to focus on anything right now with all that's going on. But never fear, Jefferson Community College is here to help.
Let's get started planning your future. You're invited to our virtual open house event. From the comfort of your home, you can learn more about our great programs, enrollment services, financial aid, residence life, and so much more.
Jefferson Community College is here to help you reach your college and career goals. For more information about open house, contact us at 315-786-2437 or our website at sunyjefferson.edu. Go Cannoneers!